everybody. I'm here on set, but I have to get permission to film from my husband.
Permission.
Okay? Permission granted?
Yes.
Thanks. Love you. So here's our tent. And look, there's a tractor. What is it for? It's to hold up the techno crane. One of the biggest cranes in the film industry. And it takes a lot to get it from place to place. To actually move it anywhere, we need the tractor. So here is part of the airplane graveyard that I've been talking about. Pretty cool plane, huh? There's our camera team. Hi, camera team. Say hi to everybody on Twitter. There's Catherine, who likes to dress in all my costumes after work.
And then I clean them.
Felix, come on. Really. He's so racist. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good day. Mwah. Bye.